for the LMFI and its members. Napakaganda po ng ating simula. I hope that you enjoyed your ride here. It was good weather today. I know that everybody had a good effort in coming over and witness this big event for the LMFI. I'd like to thank Boss Rosco of Wiltec for bringing us over here in Palayan City. And hindi po tayo abot dito sa Cabanatuan kung wala po tayong petrol fuels. So kay Boss Bong Pagya, maraming salamat po.
Because of you guys. We want to support your endeavor, your riding pleasure, and we want to really give you yung ano po yung kailangan nyo on the road. And this commitment will continue. We always pledge na we will always support your activities.
Congratulations everybody and welcome to the LMFI family. Mabuhay po sila and thank you for all of your support. Maraming salamat po.